I recently got hold of the Dewalt mitre-saw. It comes to me after having spent about a year outside. So electrically, it's not running. This isn't plugged in right now, but when it is plugged in, it does exactly the same thing. And upon initial inspection of the cable, it seems to be pretty good. This guard is broken here. So this has been outside for a while. The motor spins free though, so that's one positive thing at least. Both brushes look in fairly good condition. Could be the motor's burnt out, could be the switch is disconnected, could also just have been a stuck brush. We will find out.
The Norwegian for mitre-saw is "ja-shag".
Pry this pin out. The switch and motor test fine, but it seems as though there is a break somewhere in the power cable. Don't actually need to replace the whole power cable. I can get it. Because this is a sealed plug, I need to replace it with a new one. Sealed plugs have better water resistance, but lack the ability to be reused. Always put this on first. Because what I normally do is I normally forget to put it on. And then I wire everything up, like I almost just did without the cover on. Let's see. It works. Cut this shape out to repair the guard, and it should protect from any fingers coming in here. Screw it on and it will stick out just a little. This repair ended up being very simple, so that's great. But this isn't uncommon. Most things that are broken for a simple reason. And whilst the motor guard patch was mostly unnecessary, it was fun and it provides a little more protection.